Welcome to the exciting world of real estate. It's a field full of opportunities where you can help people find their dream homes and build a successful career. This journey can be challenging, but incredibly rewarding. This guide will give you some tools for success. We'll explore key areas that can help you become a top realtor. From understanding your local market to building strong relationships and marketing yourself effectively, we'll cover it all. Remember, success in real estate is about more than just closing deals. It's about building trust, exceeding expectations, and making a positive impact on your clients' lives. Let's get started on your path to becoming a top-producing realtor. Imagine you're a tour guide, but instead of a city, you're showing off neighborhoods and homes. To be the best guide, you need to know your area inside and out. This means understanding every street, every corner, and every unique feature that makes your neighborhood special. That's what it means to master your local market. It's not just about knowing the properties, but also the people, the culture, and the community. You need to be an expert on what's happening in your area. This includes staying updated on new developments, zoning changes, and upcoming projects that could impact property values. Keep up with the latest trends in your local real estate market. Are there new businesses moving in? Are there any changes in the local economy that could affect housing prices? Are prices going up or down? Understanding these trends will help you provide accurate advice to your clients. What types of properties are in high demand? Is there a growing interest in single-family homes? Or are condos becoming more popular? Study the neighborhoods you serve. Walk the streets, talk to the residents, and get a feel for the community vibe. Learn about schools, parks, transportation, and other amenities. These are the details that can make or break a deal for your clients. Your clients will rely on your knowledge to make informed decisions. They trust you to guide them through one of the biggest investments of their lives. Remember, the more you know about your market, the better you can serve your clients. This knowledge builds trust and credibility. So become a local expert and watch your real estate business thrive. Your expertise will not only help you close deals, but also build lasting relationships with your clients. Real estate is a people business. It's about building trust and connecting with others. Strong relationships are the foundation of a successful real estate career. Network with other real estate professionals. Attend industry events and join local associations. Get to know lenders, inspectors, and contractors. These connections can provide valuable referrals and support. Treat everyone you meet with respect and kindness. You never know where your next client will come from. Be genuinely interested in helping people, and your network will naturally grow. Remember, building relationships is like planting seeds. The more you nurture them, the more they will flourish. In the world of real estate, getting your name out there is crucial. Think of it like baking a delicious cake. You want everyone to know about it and get a taste. Create a strong personal brand that reflects your values and personality. What makes you unique? What do you want to be known for? Your brand is your promise to your clients. Use a variety of marketing channels to reach your target audience. This could include social media, email marketing, local advertising, and open houses. Be creative and find what works best for you. Always present yourself professionally. Your website, business cards, and marketing materials should be visually appealing and informative. Investing in you. Never stop learning and growing. This is the key to unlocking your full potential and achieving your dreams. The real estate industry is constantly evolving. New technologies, market trends, and client expectations are always emerging. To stay ahead of the curve, you need to invest in your personal and professional development. This means continuously seeking out new knowledge and skills. Attend industry conferences and workshops. These events are not just about learning. They are also about networking with other professionals. These events offer valuable insights and keep you updated on the latest trends and technologies. They provide a platform to exchange ideas and best practices. Read books and articles about real estate, marketing, and personal growth. Knowledge is power, and staying informed will give you a competitive edge. Continuous learning is essential for long-term success in any field. It helps you adapt to changes and seize new opportunities. Don't be afraid to ask for help or mentorship. Learning from others' experiences can provide you with valuable insights and shortcuts to success. Find someone who has achieved the level of success you aspire to and learn from their experience. Their guidance can be invaluable in navigating your career path. Remember, the more you invest in yourself, the more valuable you become to your clients and your business. Your growth and success are directly linked to your commitment to continuous learning and improvement. Weathering the storm, resilience, and consistency in real estate. The real estate market can be unpredictable. There will be ups and downs, but it's important to remain resilient and consistent in your efforts. Don't let setbacks discourage you. Every challenge is an opportunity for growth and learning. Stay positive and focus on your long-term goals. Consistency is key in real estate. Make it a habit to follow up with leads, nurture relationships, and market your services regularly. Remember, success in real estate is a marathon, not a sprint. Stay committed to your goals and you will weather any storm. Your path to real estate stardom, a recap. Whether you're just starting out or looking to elevate your career, these insights are crucial. We've covered a lot of ground on your journey to becoming a top-producing realtor. From the basics to advanced strategies, each step is a building block to your success. Let's recap the key takeaways. Know your market. This means diving deep into the data, understanding the nuances of different neighborhoods, and staying updated on market trends. Become an expert on your local area, understanding trends, neighborhoods, and pricing. This expertise will set you apart and build trust with your clients. Build relationships, network with other professionals, and nurture connections to create a strong referral base. Attend industry events, join local business groups, and always be ready to make a new connection. Market yourself. Develop a strong brand and utilize various marketing channels to reach your target audience. This includes social media, email marketing, and traditional methods like flyers and business cards. Never stop learning. Invest in your personal and professional growth through conferences, workshops, and mentorship. The industry is always evolving, and staying ahead of the curve is essential. Stay resilient. The real estate market has its ups and downs, but consistency and a positive attitude are key. Embrace challenges as opportunities to learn and grow. By embracing these principles and consistently applying them, you'll be well on your way to creating a thriving real estate business. Remember, success doesn't happen overnight, but with dedication and hard work, your efforts will pay off. Embracing the challenges, turning obstacles into stepping stones. As you navigate the world of real estate, remember that challenges are inevitable, but instead of viewing them as roadblocks, see them as opportunities for growth. Difficult clients, challenging negotiations, and market fluctuations are all part of the journey. Each obstacle you overcome makes you a stronger and more adaptable realtor. Embrace these challenges with a positive attitude and a willingness to learn. Seek out solutions, ask for help when needed, and never give up on your goals. Remember, it's not about avoiding challenges, but about how you choose to face them. Your ability to adapt and overcome will set you apart as a true real estate professional. The importance of ethics and integrity. In the real estate industry, your reputation is everything. Building a successful business requires more than just closing deals. It demands unwavering ethics and integrity. Always prioritize your client's best interests, even if it means sacrificing a quick sale. Be honest and transparent in your dealings, providing accurate information and guidance. Remember that your actions reflect not only on you, but also on your clients and the real estate profession as a whole. By upholding the highest ethical standards, you build trust and create lasting relationships. Finding joy in the journey. While striving for success is important, don't forget to find joy in the journey of being a realtor. Celebrate your accomplishments, big and small. Find fulfillment in helping people achieve their real estate dreams. Remember why you chose this profession in the first place. Was it the thrill of the deal, the satisfaction of finding the perfect home for a client, or the desire to build a successful business? Focus on the positive aspects of your work and find ways to make it enjoyable. When you're passionate about what you do, it shows, and it attracts success. Conclusion. Your real estate legacy awaits. Congratulations on taking the first steps toward building a successful real estate career. By embracing the principles outlined in this guide, you're well on your way to achieving your goals. Remember to continuously learn and grow. Build strong relationships, market yourself effectively, and always act with integrity. The real estate industry is full of opportunities for those who are willing to put in the work. Now go out there, make your mark, and create a real estate legacy you can be proud of.